Sania Patel and you're welcome to HW News English. After 5 phases of the Lok Sabha election, the Election Commission criticized the ruling Bharatiya Janata Party and the main opposition Congress for speeches made by their star campaigners. This happened after both parties filed complaints against each other regarding speeches by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Congress MP Rahul Gandhi. The Election Commission issued separate directives to BJP President JP Nadda and Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge, stating that the country's socio-cultural environment should not suffer because of elections. The Commission said, and I quote, "Elections are a process in which political parties not only contest to win but also avail themselves of the opportunity to present themselves in their ideal best for the voting community to experience, emulate and build hopes on. The second part constitutes the more precious heritage of Indian elections and our electoral democracy, and this should not be allowed to be weakened by anyone, including your party." The poll body told both the parties elections are periodic exercises, they come and go, but political parties like yours endure. Even more enduring preserve is India's socio-cultural milieu. Political parties are in the task of nurturing leaders for the country for present and future. They cannot afford to be lax in any manner in enforcing discipline and conduct among the cadre in the high-stake electoral space, especially with reference to senior members. Both parties previously complained to the Election Commission about each other's leaders. The Commission sent notices and asked for their responses. However, in today's directions, it rejected their defenses. In its letter to Mr. Nadda, the Commission expects the BJP as the ruling party at the centre to align its campaign methods with the diverse and sensitive nature of India. It directed the BJP to tell all star campaigners to avoid making statements prohibited under the Model Code of Conduct. The rules state that no party or candidate should engage in activities that worsen existing differences, promote hatred, or create tensions between two different castes, communities, religions, or languages. The Election Commission instructed the BJP chief to advise all star campaigners not to make speeches and statements that could divide society. It also directed them to avoid any campaigning methods or remarks based on religious or communal lines. The Commission emphasized the importance of maintaining decorum in speeches by the party's star campaigners. The Election Commission's letter to Mr. Kharge stated that it expects the Congress to fully align its campaign methods with the practical aspects of India's diverse and sensitive nature. The Commission asked the Congress chief to instruct its star campaigners to avoid making statements prohibited under the General Conduct Rules of the Model Code of Conduct. Mr. Kharge was also directed to advise Congress star campaigners to refrain from engaging in any political propaganda involving activities of the defense forces during election campaigning and to avoid making potentially divisive statements regarding the socio-economic composition of the defense forces. He was further instructed to ensure that star campaigners do not make statements that give a false impression, such as suggesting that the Constitution of India may be abolished or sold. Earlier, the Congress raised concerns with the Election Commission regarding Prime Minister Modi's allegations that the opposition party aimed to redistribute people's wealth among Muslims and suggested that the party would even target married women's Mangal Sutra. On the other hand, the BJP brought to the Election Commission's attention a speech by Rahul Gandhi in which he accused the Prime Minister of promoting the idea of one nation, one language and one religion. The Election Commission later issued notices to Mr. Nadda and Mr. Kharge. Importantly, these notices did not specially name Prime Minister Modi or Mr. Gandhi. Instead, party leaders were held responsible for the speeches made by star campaigners. Similarly, today's directions also do not mention any leader's name. Well, that's all for this Mood Tiranga today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.